So today I'm back at Brooklands and it's the weekend after the Easter gathering, and today it's the British Day and it's only cars made in this country. I'm Steve and welcome to my channel.
So Land Rover originally owned it right from the factory, and the number plate was different then. I had a little information sheet, I meant to stick it on there. So Land Rover used it as a development vehicle. So it starts off as a 1958 vehicle with a Series 2 with Series 2 chassis on it. Then they were looking, as far as we can make out, they were trying to develop a multi-fuel engine for the military, so it could run on multi-fuel. So it had different engines in and out of it, ending up with the 2.5 turbo, which would come out probably 10-20 years later in production. I think it's called the C19. So they were just ripping bits in and out and trying things, and eventually it was sold off to the public. Then in 1989 the number plate was sold off because it was 1388AC, AC being the tie-in to Land Rover, and for some reason it was never age related. DVLA put this one, which is actually a 1961 number plate, an A-Reg.
So what's your plan? Is it to redo the whole body then?
Yes, yeah, I'm just starting the rub down and just spray it all up again really.
And this is just faded, I suppose.
Yeah, this is that's multicoloured. We've got the Air Force blue underneath. Someone hand painted it on top. And then we've got the
oh, so you're just taking it back to that's a standard Land Rover colour. Oh, you were saying last weekend. Yeah, that's what you get. You get. I mentioned this in one of my videos. You get a star pattern where there's too much grease in there. It's happened to mine once. That's a nice Morris Traveller. Yes, they were. That's a nice smell. You won't get that on the video, but
Jeff Sullivan. I've owned this Mark 1 console since 2017. Done a little bit of work to it, but basically it was all there. The usual things, a bit of trouble with the electrics. Basically the engine, gearbox and axle were good, all the brakes were new. A little bit of body work.
And miles, how many miles is it done?
It's done 90,000 now.
Right.
Which I probably would say is original, because I don't think anyone would have bothered to self-clocking something like this, would they?
Oh no, I wouldn't have thought there'd be clocking this.
It's great fun to drive. I love it. We love it, don't we?
Yeah, they are. I haven't driven mine for years, but I remember they're lovely to drive. They're really nice.
I've been in the motor trade all my life, a car body repairer, restorer.
Right.
And it was something I promised myself years and years ago, to get a Mark 1 console.
Right.
Back in the day, back in the 70s, I had a Mark 1 Zephyr 6. As everyone knows, these are a bit shorter. So I can get them in a standard garage, and I can still get all my motorbikes and all my other rubbish in there.
I see.
With the car.
Yes.
Because although, they're supposed to be a big family saloon, compared with a modern day car, they're much, much smaller.
Yeah.
They're just a very, very good car. Not bad on fuel.
Yeah.
Brakes are good.
Yeah.
They don't handle too bad.
Right.
Bit of work on radial tyres at low speed, but
yes, I'm going to keep cross-ply in mine.
the trouble is with cross-plies, you're in a Scalextric car, aren't you?
Yeah.
It wants to follow the white lines,
Yeah.
and the way the roads are at the minute.
I've never had radial on mine. I only drove it for a few years.
You ought to try them. It does improve the.
Yeah.
You also get a better, because you've got the unsprung weight. The tyre moves better.
Yes.
So it adds to the suspension.
Right.
So it's worth thinking about that.
Well, I'll have to think about that. Yes. When I get it on the road, they're easy to change. So
But
yeah.
it's still got the standard carburetor, which is good. It's still running points, providing you buy the good points.
Right. So yeah, that's a good idea. They're there just to hand. If you ever need to change them on the road or something.
I
Yeah.
put the biggest battery.
Did you do that?
Yeah, I did that.
Oh, wow, that's good. Yeah. So yes, so you've got that's the original distributor.
Yeah.
With points in it.
Yeah.
Have you ever had to change a condenser? Because a lot of people they say.
No, I put a new condenser in it probably 4 years ago.
Did you?
Never.
Oh, it's all right.
It's been all right.
So when did you buy that condenser? Was it is it the steering box bracket or the actual chassis?
Actual chassis leg
Oh,
running down.
right.
I'll let you do this, keep quiet.
That's all right.
See you later.
All right then. See ya.
See you later, guys.
See ya.
See ya.